The last XRP video, we had a big elephant in the room. The big elephant in the room was this. It was this bearish divergence. We see the price action was losing momentum, whereas we put in a higher high on the chart. That needed to reverse. So we've pulled back now, guys. That's played out. So what's next for XRP and how can you prepare for the next move? Okay, this thing was recorded on Wednesday, guys. It's probably Thursday when you're going to be watching it, but the same thing applies. This is the daily chart, and XRP is currently trading at $2.54. So one thing happened, guys. We had a big wick to the downside. Crypto got a shakeout. Crypto got scared, and it got bought back up. When it gets bought back up, it tells us a story. These things tell us a story that there's lots of buy orders at this point. So clues look left. What we can do is look left and to find out if there's any sticking points that were previous resistance that are acting at support. Look, resistance, 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 resistance. Now it's come back and this is holding support at the moment. So we're creating a bit of a different pattern now. Now this is actually a bearish pattern. This is a bearish pattern and this is an ascending channel. When you're in a bullish move, this is indicating some kind of a signal that there's going to be some kind of a reset. So has the reset happened? That's what we want to know because we're still in the ascending channel. One thing we can tell here is there was lots of buy orders at this point here, at this point here, indicated by this candle wick. So we're at strong support. We know we're at strong support. There's confluence there because we're at the bottom of the channel and we're also at this previous resistance level, which we're now currently testing as support. So this is where the battle between the bulls and the bears happens, between the buyers and the sellers at this point here. If we lose this level, then the bulls lay off, the buyers lay off, the bears regain control, and they look for the next level of support. Next level of support down here on XRP is down here, all the way down to $1.38. So you've got the bottom of the range as well to fall back on. The thing is, we've got strong buy orders here. We've got strong buy orders at this level because we can tell by this wick here. So if you think about buy orders, there's people feeling confident about something at a certain level. They're all putting that thing, or they're all putting their buy orders in at that certain level. And that's why it holds support for such a long period of time. And that's why you get these big buy up candles here. Get big buy up candles like that. That's telling us a story. It's telling us there's lots of buy orders and there's lots of interest at this level. So you've got two levels to fall back on. You've got your $2, you've got your $1.38. Remember, if we lose this channel and we lose this support, the bulls will lay off, buy orders will lay off. Sometimes the bulls will become the bears because they'll put the sell orders in. The bears have got more momentum and they're going all the way back down to the next support where the tug of war battle happens again. So that's how you can monitor XRP at the moment, guys. What's the indicators telling us? Because there's a strong story here. We did have a bearish divergence. We did have a pullback. We did have a nasty wick to the downside. However, these have reset. This is reset. Basically, what I am actually saying is things don't look as bad for XRP as what they previously did. So when we were up here, we were overbought. We knew we were overbought. The indicators were telling us we were overbought. Indicators were telling us we were overbought. We needed some kind of a pullback. We needed some kind of a market reset. We needed the bulls to have some kind of control. For that to happen, when something's overbought, you need a pullback. Got the volatile spike. We knew exactly that there's lots of buy orders at this level. We know there's lots of interest at this level. But we've got the oversold stochastic. So we're happy again. We're waiting for, and actually getting, just zoom in on this, getting across on the stochastic, and then we need a push up on the stochastic to see how far price action can actually push up by the time that this gets overbought again. Ideally, the aim of the game is to take out this previous high sitting at $3.38. If we take out that high at $3.38 and the stochastic's overbought, that's signaling that we've put in a higher high. We come back down, we monitor when the stochastics come back down. As long as we're putting in a higher low, when the stochastic comes back down in this reset, that's indicating that the trend is continuing. So remember, the trend's your friend till the bend at the end. Keep protecting yourself if you're trading beneath the higher low, because what that does is it allows you to take the capital, it reduces your risk, sometimes decreases your risk, and then it adds reward on there and adds reward on there as you're pushing price action up and as you're pushing price action up and protecting yourself below the higher low. Ultimately, when the trend reverses, you're out, but you're out in profit. So that's just one way you can play for XRP. Just looking at it now, this level's strong, so it's do or die at this level. $2.50, $2.54. So we know exactly where we would go if we drop these levels. We know exactly how to prepare for that. And it looks a lot better than what it did the last time that we were speaking. So that's XRP. If you like the video, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.